cream truck, and
Shoot
it's
that
such
over.
a badass. I mean, we don't know where it is,
We
but
didn't
we hear
shoot
it
it.
getting closer.
Josh,
Yeah.
we didn't hear you what you said before that. What are you waiting for?
The ice cream. Oh my God!
Oh my God! It's here! No! Ah! I'm having nightmares! It's here! Oh no! Ah! It's here! Oh no! The ice cream truck! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's the ice cream truck! Oh no! Ah! The freaking ice cream truck! Ah! Run! Uh-uh.
Italian ice. Wait, where's the money?
We're making.
Yes.
The ice cream truck is here! I want money. Can I have money so I can buy ice cream? I'm just kidding. I don't have any
It's an
money.
ice cream truck.
It's here! It's here! It's coming! Yeah! Yay!
What's that? What, point? That? Bubblegum swirl? You're out of bubblegum swirl? Get out of that, Joe.
Is that rainbow?
Something else.
Collab
Hard.
Choco Taco.
It's so hard.
What's this?
Fruit stick.
Choco taco.
You like that?
Yeah. Can I have
You guys know what you want?
Wow, so many choices. Wait.
Cameron minus fun.
What?
You won't be able to hear it with the go, just go put that color down. I won't let it go.
Yo, the ice cream truck. I'm making a video.
I want this. Get the taco. Get the chocolate. I'm getting a chocolate. Okay, and a strawberry shortcake. She said I'm not allowed to get it.
Why? I know. I know.
Why? How about we get him something? Cameron, maybe next time.
Choco taco.
And I know how much you like tacos. No,
Stick.
I know.
How awesome! A health expansion thingy-majingy.
get the Klondike Oreo?
That's so freaking awesome. How often does this happen, Josh?
The ice cream truck hasn't came in forever.
AKA,
I'm sorry.
AKA yesterday.
I'm so excited. It didn't come yesterday.
Yes, it did. We were
What?
sleeping.
No, I was at my grandmother's and then it came.
Yeah.
Did you get anything?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. Wow. I thought I missed the ice cream truck for a second. Yummy!
Fudge you. End the video. Bye-bye, ice cream truck and mod. I'm very sad though. Peace out, hobos. I'm just kidding. Bye-bye, hippies.